give us some of your quality time. आम्ही कितले कोणी म्हणला आमकां तरी 5 ना 10 लोक तरी आमकां 30 वर्सां आदी मेळ्ळो तर तेन्नाच आमी सगळें बंद करतले. We could have stopped. But most people are involved in going here, going there, going to Australia, going to this place, whatever they are. Zago sodunus gele. We need very good people who can deal with these bastards.
Very true.
Very true. Because there is no other word for them, because they will sell their mothers and their fathers and their children also.
Sisters also.
Everybody they will sell, because that is only one God they have. एकच देव हा तांचो. So we are not part. We don't worship the same Dev. Our Dev is different. We have got some values, and therefore I am saying, what has happened now with the MPT, with the central government declaring the very draconian new Ports Act and giving them all these powers, they have told the Goenkars, to me, people are simply making too much of noise about you Goenkars. They must say Goa. आता आम्ही तुका सारखे चिखल देव येता म्हणून. We are going to bring you down to the level of the rest of the country, where nobody has got any voice to say whatever he wants or do whatever he wants. It's like UP. They have set up a special force, special police force, exactly like the Gestapo in Germany. They have set up this police force. They can go into anybody's house today at any time, arrest him without a warrant, without an investigation, and put him inside. And even the magistrate cannot release him without the say of the government.
Shame.
But this is the situation that we will face. But they have already done it by declaring MPT under the Indian Ports Act in such a way that now they can practically do whatever they want. And what they want to do, it is all given in the Sagarmala report. Sagarmala report पहिला draft असलो, आता final केला. And the final report of Sagarmala report, the final report has got worse things for Goa than what the draft report was. It is almost as if they are saying that you objected to draft. आता तुका दाखवता न्हू. तुमका दाखवता. कितें करतले मग आमी? So that is why this big scheme, and they will turn Goa into a coal hub. There is no choice for you Goenkars. There is no option. There is no future for you. If you do not you don't have to give up everything. I am saying you need to only give time. Give time to the people who are leading the movement. Go for the meetings. Anyway, what you are doing sitting at home, only catching, you can catch the virus at home, you can catch it on the street, and you have to suffer it and finish up with it. But you have to protect this boy from going down. We have managed so far. This is the only state in the country which has repeatedly I'm saying, told the government to bugger off. Repeatedly. This is the only state that has told 18 SCZs to get off on one single day. Only state. This is the only state that has told DuPont in 1994 get out, and they had to get out. This is the only state that closed down Zuari for the pollution they did in 1974. This is the only state which can do things, because there are very, very literate people, very educated people, and very strong people. आमच्या गोंयकार ते पातळ भाजी न्ही, पातळ भाजी म्हणजे रेस्टॉरंट मेळटात. आमचे सगळे गट मनीस, दे आर विलिंग टू कम आउट, कोंकणी एजिटेशन भायर आयले रस्त्यार आनी माडा कातरून रस्ते बंद केले. In Nylon 66, they dug up the road so that no vehicle could go past. They came in a helicopter. There 2,000 people were waiting for the helicopter to land. So the helicopter turned and went back to the airport. तशे आमचे मनीस. Only if we are strong, can we do something. And हे हो सरकार हा पळय, ते 10 लोक आयलेत न्हू, ते पटपटतात. 50 लोक आयलेत, ते ताचे बेजार जातात कंप्लीट. आणि 100 तरी 1000 लोक आयल्यार तांकां खंय they completely retreat. So you must have that. Build WhatsApp groups. Be ready for spot action groups. Whenever you are called, just please drop. कितें तरी करता नाकाले ते बशे बंद करात आणि याद पाहिजे.
We will be there.
Number 2, please go and support each other's agitation.
Very true.
आता तालेगावचे लोक आता ते against Montserrat they are fighting. Please try and find 1 or 2 hours to go and support.
Thank you.
आता आमचे मेलावलीचे लोक आता त्याचे सगळे have you seen in the entire village of all the women coming outside
500 women.
and saying that
Huzzah.
I've never seen entire village of Melavali coming out and outside a police station saying, yeah, amka release kar mon, amka bhitar dorun raunche na mon. And they had to release them and they put them first on non-bailable offences.
Very
By
true.
evening they had to bail them out.
Very true.
So please note, everywhere, Malay people ekdam poisar. Kaun the wasna? Malay is at least 2.5 hours. Some people have walked from there.
My God, respect.
They are also. Sangod, they destroyed 2,600 trees, forest trees. You know who signed the permission? Permission was signed by Manohar Parrikar before he died. They are today released, Forest Department has released a big video on our beautiful forest. But these people have demolished Malay, they have demolished Sangod, and 1,05,000 trees are for demolition for high tension line alone. Only one project. High tension line, 1,05,000 झाडां सोडून काढून उडयतली ती.
Shame your government. Shame.
Everything we are putting in figures and giving to the High Court, saying that you also want to approve, you approve. तुमकां अप्रूव करूं जाय, पण आमी तुमच्या मुखार आयल्यान हे मातशें बंद करया म्हणून. जाल्यार आमचें संवसारच वयतलो. आमकां कांयच उरपाचें ना आनी आमच्या भुरग्यांक कांय उरपाचें ना. So this guys, MPT, you will allow them to survive only if MPT does business which is good for Goa.
Very true.
We want you bring all the cruise liners. We have no problem. You bring all the goods, all finished goods, all steel, whatever it is. We have no problem.
Yes.
We have absolutely we want MPT to have very good business.
No.
But no coal.
No goal.
Close MPT. MPT is the root cause of all these problems.
So never mind for the
All
moment.
these problems are by MPT.
As a matter of just
Double tracking.
As a matter of tactical.
All these problems are because MPT.
See, I agree.
MPT is the East India Company of Goa.
I agree with you, sir.
East India is going to take over Goa. MPT is taking over Goa.
1 minute. Not anymore.
Let it complete after that.
So,
No.
so let us. Baba, bache rao re. Mai ula undita. What we are saying is MPT should do good business. Yes. There are many people, our brothers, sisters in Vasco who are employed. We don't want to. We want sustainable port activities. We want only clean goods. We want all the things that will keep people happy. We don't want goods that will kill people.
True.
We don't want people. And if once coal is stopped, and if you keep this agitation for 1 or 2 years, they will stop the coal.
We have to. We are ready for 5 years.
If this agitation is successful, they will have to close down the double tracking, and they will have to other projects we will look after, high tension line and all we will look after. But as far as the double tracking is concerned, please note it is dependent only on this coal. And once you are agitated, because there is nobody else will listen to you about anything, but they will listen to you if you say coal. Whole world will say, "Arey Baba, tu kite hai? This industry everywhere is a twilight industry, sunset industry munta taka. Kya sogle संसारात बंद करतात. Everywhere coal is being closed down. तुम्ही आता काय किती सुरू केला? तुमका दुसरे काय काम ना तुमका? So coal will have public sympathy, will have the country's sympathy, will have the world sympathy for you going on. So please say we do not want coal under any circumstance. All coal activities to stop. Our petition in the High Court is for them to stop coal completely because they muntat na it is in permissible quantities. I mean सांगले permissible quantities आमका नाका. आम्ही हांगा रावतना before MPT came, before MPT started importing coal, we had pure air.
Very true.
Pure air, no coal in the air.
Very true.
तंतु काय कोयला नातलो. तुम्ही आता कोयला हाडला तो आमका नाका म्हणून ते बंद करा आणि मागीर तुमका एक्सेप्ट करतले. So this is our main problem. So please insist. We have no problem with this. Is what I am personally feeling. We have no problem as long as they do good business. they do business that improves the lives of people and not destroys their life. And they don't need to act as a port for the whole of India. They can act as a port for Goa and for surroundings. Goa is small, all the industries should be small, and the port also should be small. लांब देश असल्याचो येदो व्हडलो पोर्ट घालून कितें फायदो?
सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट
कितें फायदो? आतां ते एअरपोर्ट घालतात, येदो व्हडलो एअरपोर्ट घालतात मोपाक, ते म्हणटात तांकां बिझनस आसचें ना, मागीर कितें करतले? आमी कासिनो घालतले. आनी सगळीं जमीन तांणी मोविन गडिनो एंड ऑल दीस पीपल दे बॉट ऑल द लँड फॉर In order to justify the airport now they are bringing casinos because they say तांचो इतलो व्यापार मेळपाचो ना म्हूण आनी हो एअरपोर्ट कंपा बंद करूंक जावचें ना म्हूण. So this is the way they are planning.
85 lakh square meters.
It's quite a lot of.
They are planning for themselves only, not for the people.
So, but the people must be
they will die
aware.
also.
People must be aware. Please
That's
come
why
for
I'm
more meetings so that we can explain things to you. You have to go back now. Please go back fully charged. तुमको battery मोर charge झाला म्हणून.
Why?
There are now enough vehicles. You can get yourself charged there also. But you get yourself fully charged because the war will begin now.
Yes.
Today we are serving notice on MPT that you behave yourself. Whatever the government power is given you under the Ports Act, you behave yourself. You will do only good business. You will only do business that is of sustainable and which will benefit the Goans.
Right.
And nothing else. And if you do anything else, then you will move us, you will drive us to close down the port.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is already recommended. It is already recommended that ports like this should not be in this settled area. They should be moved out. तशेंच सरकाराचो आमचो नोटिसी आसा की आतां पोर्ट इतलो लोक रावता तो पोर्ट मातशें ताका भायर सायडीक काडूंक जाय म्हूण. They can go to Bethel or some other place, I don't know, but people there will object.
No, they will
but
object.
but we are
We don't want it in
basically
Goa.
saying, we are saying you